What happens when you start eating carrots every day? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible topic. What happens when you start eating carrots every single day? Trust me, the results might surprise you. So grab a snack, maybe some carrots, and let's jump right in. Superpower for your eyes. Did you know carrots have a reputation for improving vision? Well, it's not just a myth. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a nutrient that your body converts into vitamin A, which is essential for healthy eyes. Eating carrots daily can protect your vision from deteriorating, improve your night vision, helping you see better in low light. Fun fact, during World War II, pilots ate carrots to improve their night flying. Pretty cool, right? Boost your immune system. Carrots are like little warriors for your immune system. They're packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. Protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. If you're someone who gets sick often, a carrot a day might just keep the doctor away. Get glowing, radiant skin. Who doesn't want glowing skin? Carrots can work wonders for your complexion because they're loaded with skin-loving nutrients. Eating carrots regularly can reduce acne and blemishes, protect your skin from sun damage, keep your skin hydrated and youthful looking, say goodbye to expensive creams, and hello to natural beauty with carrots. A happy digestive system. Now, let's talk about digestion. Carrots are high in fiber, which is your gut's best friend. Here's what happens when you add carrots to your diet. You'll experience better digestion and fewer stomach problems. Fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps things moving smoothly. If you've been looking for a natural way to support your gut health, carrots are the answer. A healthier heart. Carrots aren't just good for your eyes and skin, but also fantastic for your heart. They're rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Plus, their antioxidants can lower your bad cholesterol levels, LDL, reduce your risk of heart disease. Imagine keeping your heart healthy by simply munching on crunchy carrot sticks daily. Could carrots help prevent cancer? This one's a biggie. Research shows that the antioxidants in carrots, like carotenoids, may help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. While it's not a magic cure, adding carrots to your diet is a step toward better overall health. Weight loss made easy. If you're trying to lose weight or just maintain a healthy one, carrots are a must-have. They're low in calories but high in nutrients. Packed with fiber, so they keep you feeling full longer. Snacking on carrots instead of chips or cookies is a small change that can make a big difference over time. But wait, can you eat too many carrots? Yes, you can. Eating too many carrots might lead to something called carotenemia, a harmless condition where your skin takes on a yellow or orange tint. It's more common in kids, but adults can experience it too. Don't worry though, this only happens if you eat excessive amounts. Stick to 1-2 carrots a day, and you're golden. So, are you ready to make carrots a part of your everyday life? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun and healthy tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.